हेलो गाइस। अभी तक मैंने आपको बताया है कि आप किसी कंट्री का वीज़ा कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, पर आज मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करूंगा 10 मोस्ट कॉमन रीजंस फॉर वीज़ा रिजेक्शन। तो ये जो वीडियो है ये यूएस वीज़ा रिजेक्शंस के रीजंस हैं, बल्कि आप किसी भी कंट्री का वीज़ा अगर अप्लाई करते हैं मेजर कंट्री का, तो इन बातों का आपको ध्यान रखना है, इन 10 कॉमन रीजंस का, जिससे कि आपका वीज़ा रिजेक्शन ना हो। तो आइए आगे देखते हैं इस वीडियो में। लेट्स सी 10 मोस्ट कॉमन रीजंस फॉर वीज़ा रिजेक्शन। Receiving a visa rejection can be a disheartening experience for any traveler. Despite careful preparation and anticipation, visa rejection can occur for various reasons. Whether due to incomplete documentation, insufficient funds, or failure to meet eligibility criteria, a rejected visa can disrupt travel plans and cause frustration. Let's see in details. Number 1. Incomplete or incorrect documentation. Visa application require various documents such as passport copies, photographs, financial statements, travel itineraries, and invitation letters. Failure to provide all required documents or providing incorrect information can lead to rejection. Number 2. Insufficient funds. Many countries require visa applicants to demonstrate that they have enough funds to cover their expenses during their stay. This includes accommodation, transportation, food, and other daily expenses. If the applicant cannot provide adequate proof of financial means, or if the source of funds is questionable, the visa may be rejected. Number 3. Lack of travel history. Some countries may require applicant to have a history of international travel to establish credibility. Number 4. Inconsistency in information. Discrepancies between the information provided in the visa application and supporting documents can raise red flags for immigration authorities. Number 5. Failure to meet eligibility criteria. Each visa category has specific eligibility criteria such as age, purpose of travel, and ties to home countries. If the applicant does not meet these criteria or fails to provide sufficient evidence to support their eligibility, the visa may be denied. Number 6. Criminal record. Applicants with a criminal record may face visa rejection, especially if the offense is considered serious. Number 7. Previous visa violations. Individuals who have previously violated visa conditions, overstayed their visa, or been deported from a country may find it difficult to obtain a visa in the future. Number 8. Travel ban or security concerns. Visa rejection can occur due to travel bans imposed by the destination country or security concerns such as political instability or conflicts in the applicant's home country. लैक ऑफ टाइज टू होम कंट्री, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा. Visa officers assess whether applicant have strong ties to their home country to ensure they will return after their visit. Ties may include stable employment, property ownership, family relationship, and other connections. Number 10. Incomplete or suspicious travel itinerary. Visa application often require a detailed travel itinerary including information about accommodation, transportation, and activities planned during the visit. If the travel itinerary is incomplete, vague, or seems suspicious, the visa may be rejected. तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जिनको आपको ध्यान रखना है. आप किसी भी मेजर कंट्री का वीज़ा अगर अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो इन बातों का ध्यान रखिए और आपके वीज़ा के चांसेस इंक्रीज़ हो जाएंगे आपको वीज़ा मिलने के. इसके बारे में कुछ और भी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में, किसी भी कंट्री के वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन के बारे में आपको कुछ पूछना है, आप कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.